You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, how to say the United States in Spanish. So that's from Spain or South America, Central America, Mexico. Estados meaning states, of course. Unidos meaning united. Overall, how to say USA or United States in Spanish. Estados Unidos, Estados Unidos, Estados Unidos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.